Harmony is also directional. I'm going to show you an example from my own website. If we ghost this out, everything here is designed to lead your eye from left to right, and then down, left to right, down, left to right, down, left to right. Okay? Every element that you see on the screen is very purposeful. If we start from my logo all the way to the social media icons on the right, even though there's a huge gap, because they are literally right across from each other from left to right, the eye goes that way. From one element, dead space in between, next element. Your brain wants to make connections between things. It's what it does. Automatically. It says, all right, here's this thing, what's next? Constantly. So when you design things in a harmonious way, you are playing to your brain's natural ability. Same thing with the nav here. Left to right, all the way across. Similar elements, similar size, echoes. Okay? Go down one. Collaboration and guidance to drive use and ROI. Left to right. See how my head and that other person's head and the other bald head, 3 bald guys, right? On the right-hand side, you see how they're all pretty much in line with each other? And if you go all the way to the edge of that photograph, you notice that the last point, that last guy's head, there's a ton of plain white negative space above it. That is purposeful too, because that completes the left to right movement. Okay, your eye naturally goes to that big dead spot. We're going bald head, bald head, bald head, and that extra dead space sort of reinforces and kind of makes your eye go there. That, again, is harmony. That's direction. That's purpose. Same thing with this little tiny arrow that I have in between the text and the image. It's a tiny, subtle little thing, but it forces, again, the brain to notice it and go, okay, we're going right. We're going right. Same thing with this headline down below. Goes immediately to a promotion, which is, hey, here's a free thing you can go get. And then you go down. All right. So all I'm trying to get across to you here is that all these decisions are purposeful. They're not arbitrary. I didn't wake up and say, okay, I want to design something that looks nice. No, I said, how am I pulling somebody through this layout? How do these elements work together in harmony to pull people from left to right and down the page? Here's another example. We've all seen a search field. There's a directional flow. There's weight that happens. The fact that that search button is very high contrast, right? Dark color, white text, it definitely jumps out. It comes forward, so to speak, in the visual field. That pulls you from left to right. There's a logical flow, cause and effect. That too is harmony. That's a logical flow of information that is created visually.